This is an introduction of Honeycomb. Perform advanced analytics on financial data just by talking to it. Cleansing, analyzing, and representing data is a challenging and time-consuming process. This is a growing problem as data is becoming exponentially more available to society. This trend bears large implications for many industries, but fintech in particular is already heavily reliant on data, and this reliance will continue to compound on smarter, faster, more accurate analytics moving forward. Let's frame this another way. Decades ago, the enterprise only saw individual data points. We didn't have much of a way to accumulate data or to store it or analyze it. But over time, we began to accumulate more data, painting a clearer picture. More recently, we've accumulated a lot of data, but we still struggle to make sense of it all today. So we need a solution that renders complex trends into sensible insights. This is what Honeycomb was created to solve. Analyze complex financial data sets and produce useful reports for yourself and your colleagues easily with Honeycomb. Let's give it a try. We can access Honeycomb directly through the web as a web app. And what we're going to do is we're going to use our chat dialog to upload a data set of FDI-insured loan information for FDI-insured banks. It's a large CSV with a lot of data, and we're going to use voice to explore it easily. So let's get started. So here's our loan data CSV, and we'll upload that. And as you can see here, we have a lot of information about loans. So we have total real estate loans, construction and development loans, residential construction loans, others. And this data extends from 2016 all the way back to the 1980s, broken down by quarter. So a lot of information on outstanding loans, delinquent loans, payback rates, stuff like that. So let's perform a simple analysis. Of total real estate loans of all time, what is the average per quarter of number of loans 30 to 89 days past due? So we can see here it's highlighted the information, the row that's of particular interest to us. This is what we specified, and it's giving us a readout. The average number of outstanding loans per quarter is about 35,000. So that's great. Let's move on to a bit of a more visual analysis. Of construction and development loans, what is the trend recently for the amount of loans 90 days plus past due? So here we have a trend line that's been calculated of our construction and development loans 90 days or more past due, and it's looked at recent quarters, and we're able to poke through this dynamic chart and see that over time the number of delinquent loans has actually decreased significantly in this department, so that's interesting. Now, let's leverage Honeycomb to do a bit of a predictive analytics exercise here. Given these trends, let's try and see how this data might turn out over time, a couple quarters ahead of now. Of all total outstanding real estate loans, and given the recent trend, can you predict how many total outstanding loans we can expect for Q4 2018? Okay.
The data suggests 5,130,245 total outstanding loans in Q4 2018.
Great. So what it did here was it took a look at the recent trend of total outstanding loans in recent quarters, and it measured the percent change over this time period and extrapolated the data outward to the specified time frame, which was Q4 2018. And we can use this now to give us not just a more accurate picture of the future, but if we're a banking institution, we can actually use this to optimize our business. And Honeycomb does this through natural language as it offers the absolute fastest, easiest interface to perform complex analytics at the consumer and the enterprise level. And as a result, Honeycomb makes you look and feel like an expert in financial analysis, even if you're not. Thank you.